Oh, I can't believe I've been recording so many videos at once. Not at once, but I've recorded a whole bunch of videos. So, if you eat the cupcake, eat the wrapper too. Hold on. I'm putting my controller in my mouth. Please make it easier to eat. Well, it usually makes like the same sound effect as. Again, hold on. Hold on. Look, look. What the? It won't make the sound effect. I may be signing up for VIM. Well, maybe not. Probably not. I don't know. Probably not. Let me eat it! Please make it easier to eat. You hear that sound effect? They're the same one, just one's higher pitch and one's lower pitch. This one's lower, this one's higher. Why is it so hard to eat the darn cupcake? Why do I have a wrench? Maybe we can fix the cupcake! Maybe not a spoon. I can't use an actual spoon, that would be cannibalism. And lower pitch, higher pitch.